I will tender my resignation to His Excellency Dr. Eric Mutai, resigning from the position of CEC member for Agriculture, Fisheries, Livestock and Cooperative Management. This one I have done in good faith, and I have done to protect my own integrity against a rogue assembly which has violated all the possible laws of natural justice. And for now, I will focus on my family and completing my PhD studies. So this assembly approves charges against me on issues that they know that I have nothing to do with, on issues that they have already passed some resolutions themselves, and they have already given directions. Yeah, that His Excellency, not even His Excellency, a minister, a colleague minister of mine, act on a certain issue that they have talked about. They have said that the chief officers or other officers who are involved in those questions they are asking me, yeah, be dealt with by the County Public Service Board. This is an assembly whose work is impeachment, and they take pride in that, which to me, looking at the Constitution, constitutes an abuse of privilege. And if nothing is done, this assembly is rogue, is going to crash this county government down, and the people are not going to get any services. If you ask me about a payment that was made last year or in February, yet I joined this government in March, what are you trying to say? And you are threatening me with impeachment. And in Kenya, you know very well that impeachment process has consequences. I want to report to the Kenyans today. Throughout my years in politics, my integrity has been unquestioned. I have not had any situation. That is why I've been away, and no one has ever followed me. There is no EACC. There is no discussion about my conduct and character. And I still believe I am as clean as I was